Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash, and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF, US dollar Swiss franc for 1st April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 1st April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 2nd April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as I've already mentioned in my other videos that from today onwards I'll be making my videos a bit longer because I have received many messages where I have found that many traders who have just started trading or who are just beginner have lost huge amount of money because they do not understand the market well and they have fallen to the marketing gimmicks of these forex brokers, and ultimately they end up losing their hard-earned money. So from today onwards I'll be trying to provide you a better and a more detailed picture of the currency pairs so that you do not make the foolish and the silly mistakes that you used to make. Because see, I have also been through this stage. There was a time around 6 years 7 years ago when I was also a beginner, and I used to make bad decisions where I used to lose almost every day, and I do not want to remind or remember those days. Anyways, so from today onwards, if I bore you to death, please do not mind. It is for your own benefit only. So let's jump to the chart then. As you can see right now, the market is trading at 0.9426. Okay, this is the current market price. And as we all know, USD CHF or US dollar Swiss franc was in beautiful uptrend. After that, market broke the support of 50 moving average and it went into consolidation. Okay, and I told you to buy above this line, and hopefully you are in a good profit right now. Then again I told you to buy here when market took the support and the resistance became the support. Okay, then I told you to buy. Hopefully you bought and you're in a good profit right now. If you are still looking for a fresh entry here, then what should be a strategy? Okay, let me take you to the weekly time frame first. This is the weekly time frame of USD CHF, and you can see that previous week, okay, overall the trend is towards the downside, and previous week it has made a hammer kind of a pattern. The pair took support at the 50 moving average with good price rejection from above, and this week we can see that yeah, the candle is doing fine. Okay, as of now no such complication and there is no support or peculiar support or resistance available on the market, so things are quite normal in the weekly chart. Let's switch to the overall trend of the market. This is the chart from January onwards. This is the 3 months chart, and you can see that the market is very bullish. There is no doubt that market is in good uptrend. Okay, market is in good, extremely well uptrend, and there is no doubt. So in a market like this, we should be only looking for buying opportunities as the market is very much bullish. So now let's switch to the real chart. As you can see, market is trading above the consolidation, and that's a good news. Okay, so what should be our strategy if we are looking for a fresh position? As you can see, a stochastic RSI here, stochastic RSI is going towards the downside. Okay, after after reaching the overbought zone, it is going towards the downside. As we all know, it is an oscillating indicator. Its duty is to go up down is not it? So let's wait for the stochastic RSI. Okay, when stochastic RSI will reach the oversold zone and it will be ready to go up again like this, just look at the position of the price. If you see that price is taking support at this level, okay, or if it is about to go up above this level, okay, in short, if you find price above this line only, you can go for a buy signal, or you can go for a buy. Okay, again I'm repeating, just wait for the stochastic RSI to come to the oversold zone. When stochastic RSI will be moving up from the oversold zone, okay, like this, just look at the position of the price. If you see that price is still trading above this level, 0.9373 level, just hit the buy button. But do remember that you need to analyze the risk, okay, according to your own capital size, because I have received many comments where people even do not know. Actually, being a beginner, it's quite natural that you do not know how to calculate the position size according to your account size. Okay, so I'll be making a video soon where I'll be teaching you what is the importance of risk management and how to calculate the position size according to your account size. Okay, so hopefully you have understood. This is the analysis of USD CHF for 1st April. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. See you tomorrow again. And hopefully you have understood. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Okay, I bring videos daily for your own benefit. Bye bye. Take care.